Welcome to Mortgage MarketSmart. Today we are going to learn how to use the advanced search feature when we're talking about top loan originators. So, for example, if I wanted to find all of the top loan originators in Austin, Texas, who originated between $5 million and $10 million of volume in 2021, how would I go about doing that? From my dashboard, I go to the left-hand menu, and under Top Loan Originators, I click on the Advanced Search feature. From here in the MSA tab, I'm going to type in Austin and then make sure to click that checkbox and click Save. Now from this screen, I'm going to make sure that I'm looking at 2021. And then in the volume buckets, I'm going to add 5 million to 10 million and then click on Refresh the Data. It takes a few seconds for the platform to return the select group of loan officers that fit your criteria. But once it does, you'll notice that here is the list, and I can scroll down and see all of these loan officers. But I can also, at the top right, I can export this list to Excel so that I can have it offline and slice and dice it however I wish to see it. That's how you use the advanced search. Thanks for watching. See you next time.